Quit smiling like that. God. What do you think of him?
I love him.
Is he awesome?
Yeah.
He's so cool. I love it. He's a pretty bird. He's a little baby. Okay, so it's 9:30, 2017, and we just got this little Connor, a green cheek Connor. Our new firstest bird ever in the Jacobson family.
No, we have that one that we took camping with us.
Oh, that was a robin. That didn't count.
Grandma and Grandpa's.
But Grandma and Grandpa has their own.
That's their bird.
Those are their birds, not our birds. So, now we got to figure out what we should call him. And he's pretty friendly and not feisty, but curious. Like, we already had a George, otherwise I'd call him Curious George. But he's not a Henry. That's too sophisticated. Hey, what about Kit?
No, we already had a kid.
Oh, we already had a Kit.
And I would like to see